Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you why are your SOUNDCORE AeroFit Pro headphones so quiet. So here, as I can see, we do have our headphones, and at first, before managing and trying to fix your headphones, check your player. If you mistakenly turned your volume down, or if your player isn't updated to the latest version, or is just bugged, try to install the application or just managing your phone instead of the headphones. If you are sure that this player is good and the volume is set to 100%, we can move to the next step. The next step is that I will recommend to charge these headphones up to 100% and check if then it will work. Sometimes just like this. If it didn't work, open the case and hold this button right here for 10 seconds to factory reset them. This is the last resort. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.